Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and set up Microsoft Edge browser on your EMPORIA Smart 5. And to do this, you'll need to open your Google Play Store. Inside, find app called Microsoft Edge and then install it. When it's ready, you can open the app and here begin the setup by signing in to turn on synchronization with other Microsoft Edge devices, and I'm gonna skip it with sign in later, accept or disagree with the data sharing preference and click on confirm. Lastly, set Microsoft Edge as a default browser, and from there you can start browsing. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.